HEMI 5.7L V8 VCT-MDS. Only 18k miles. If you travel a lot, you're going to love this wonderful 2009 Dodge Challenger with very low miles. Consumer Guide named the Challenger a 2009 recommended sporty performance car. It has barely been driven and is ready for years of trouble-free ownership. Visit our virtual showroom 24/7 at hennikevolid.com.